Good morning, futures traders. Today is Wednesday, January 21st, the time 9:28. Trading the Nasdaq open today using Praedox Traders Assistant version 3.0. We are in early alpha testing of this. Okay, so we will get the pre-market open predictors predicting up. Just printed now on the 929 bar. We are at the London high here. We have a pivot point here. If we take any trade, it will be the break of this current high here. Or we'll wait for a pullback to take the open trade right here, which is above this pivot point. So we'll see if we can get in fast. We do have it turned off right now. Okay, about 15 seconds. We will play the pullback.
Order canceled.
Play the open there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so that's that. Here's what we did for today across our accounts. So we are continuing to grow. So let me walk you through what we did here. So the pre-market predictor is predicting up. We're right at a pivot point. So there was two plays here. You could have taken it above this pivot point here, or wait for the pullback, wait till you have a good pullback, and take the, so let's see, we could wait, we could take it here and just wait, or what I did was followed it down to about right here. And then you saw we had this right here. We took it. You saw we had this get up, hit our 20 tick break even across all of our accounts, $200. So that's that manual play here. That was a big bar. And, that's how you take the opening trade. So let me walk you through our new Praedox side panel. You can see here we have our P&L curve, our P&L for this account, win rate, win-loss, our max profit and max loss we have configured. Here's your P&L curve, the ability to turn or enable and disable individual auto setups. We also have a built-in order management panel where you can manually trade as well. So if we have this turned on and I want to say buy something here and click on it, it would automatically turn auto trading off.
Order canceled.
So the buy click, sell click allows you to point to the chart so you can see how the price is moving in the button. So that'll tell you where you're placing your order. Sell click does the same thing. So as you point your chart, if I want to sell it up here, escape will get you out of that. The buy up and buy down, what this does, it basically will tell you the buy up here.
Order
the previous
canceled.
bar by the number of ticks you have configured, and I have 3. This would be a good bounce off the current open to take if I was going to continue trading. And then once you're in a trade, you can move it to break even plus or minus some ticks offset here. And then once you're in the trade, you can move your stop by 10 tick increments up or down, and your target by 10 tick increments up or down. And if you have multiple targets, it will move both. Same thing with the stop. If you have both, 2 targets, 3 targets, it'll move all targets minus 10 or plus 10, regardless of what you hit. And then our new trade protector will protect revenge trading. And basically what this is going to do, and again, I'm going to make a separate video explaining all this and showing all this, but what the trade protector will do is it will keep track of your wins and losses. Right now I have my limit set to 3 wins or 3 losses. The first to hit my limit will lock you out. Not only will it lock you out for the account you're on, it will lock you out from trading all day. Now, you can override it if you choose, but the point is to walk away. So once it's locked out, you will not be able to enable the strategy or place any manual trades within the strategy. You can always place trades in Chart Trader, but the trade protector, a lot to say, is there to protect you from over trading. So again, you can configure it to how many wins or losses you want. It's up to you if you want 2 or 3, but you can also use it to stop trading the automatic trading. So if I'm in auto mode and I want to stop trading after, let's say, 3 wins or 3 losses, it will do that. Or you could set a max profit or max loss and it'll stop as well. So you have 2 protection mechanisms built in to walk away from for auto trading. So with that said, it's exciting. We're also looking at AI prediction scores. And what you'll see here at the bottom, I'm just testing it out. We're going to integrate it within the strategy. Anything yellow or green is a high machine learning probability. So you can see, again, it will not be on every bar. It's only going to be on your signals. We'll be able to filter by high probability trades. So let's say we had the slingshot and the probability was greater than 80%. It will show you that. If you want to filter all trades that have a probability score of, let's say, 65% or higher, you can do that. And then that'll all be built into the strategy. And you will only see signals that will meet the criteria of the AI. So this is truly machine learning. We do train a model. We will send the trained model out weekly to anybody that purchases this add-on. Unfortunately, this will not be part of the lifetime subscription. It will be an add-on because there is a cost to doing machine learning and AI. But we have a lot to do still on that. We're still testing the algorithms and making sure that it does improve the strategy. And early testing is showing that it certainly significantly does improve the signals. So with that said, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot me a message on Discord, send me an email. Happy to respond. Join our Discord. A lot of folks there that are enjoying the strategy. Great Praedox family. Please like and subscribe for this content. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Like I said, I will do a video soon on Praedox version 3.0 and take a deep dive there. If you have more interest in Praedox and the trades we do, visit praedox.com, Praedox.com. Have a great day. We will see you tomorrow.